Hi, my name is Jennifer, and on today's episode of 30 on 3D, I'm going to talk about Roush Performance and the ROI they achieved from using SAF 3D printing. Roush Performance is known for developing aftermarket upgrades for vehicles like the Ford Mustang and F-150. During the production of the Roush F-150, they ran into a serious challenge. Late in the design process, an ADAS problem surfaced with the front grille camera. The easiest and quickest solution would be to redesign the support. The problem? This change would typically require new injection mold tooling, which would push production back by several months and add significant cost. So, Roush looked for a different solution. They turned to SAF 3D printing. Once the first version of the mount was printed, the team realized the design could still be improved. Instead of retooling, they quickly updated the design and reprinted the part, avoiding additional delays and tooling costs entirely. Using the Stratasys H350, Roush engineers were able to produce thousands of camera mounts for the full production run of the F-150. SAF delivered the consistency and near isotropic mechanical properties needed to meet PPAP quality requirements. The results were significant. Roush was able to cut costs by 35%, from $30,000 down to $19,500. Traditional tooling would have taken around 17 weeks, but they were able to decrease their time to an 8-week cycle time. That's a 50% time reduction. More importantly, Roush kept their trucks on schedule, avoided production delays, and created a more flexible and efficient manufacturing workflow. With traditional manufacturing, Roush wouldn't have been able to meet production demands and schedule. But with SAF, they were able to quickly iterate and produce their camera mounts simultaneously, saving them time and money. Interested in learning more about the ROI of SAF technology? Contact us today and follow us for more videos like this.